Hi, I'm Dustin Brewer. I'm the Branding and Client Success Manager for Zepher Drone Sim, which is a division of Little Arm Studios. We're a development studio that came out with this sim, and essentially what we do is we allow drone pilots the ability and opportunity to develop motor function skills and muscle memory of drone flight without having to risk damage to equipment or damage to person. It's a great, safe way to become more educated and become a more skilled pilot while learning all these different tools and resources that you're going to need in a practical application. Something that would be amazing for more people to understand is that, drone flight doesn't just start and stop when you turn your drone on. It goes well beyond that, especially when you're trying to do things like get NIST certification, which we have a NIST simulator within here. We have search and rescue. We have bridge inspection, tower inspection. It's wild how much we've been able to do with our tight-knit team. Our entire team is here. There's 14 of us, including our 3 founders, our back-end dev team, our sales guys, and you got me, and my marketing person, Bo, who put together this amazing booth for us. It's been a really great show, but I think anybody here would agree this is such a burgeoning market that we're all strapped to the front of a bullet train going very fast, trying to stay on the bleeding edge of essentially what's become Pandora's box. So as long as we can stay relevant in the conversation and continue to help educate and get people comfortable within the space, and also make sure that there's no gatekeeping coming on, that it's inclusive and we all rise together. Rising tides raise all ships, and we believe in a safe, practical future for drones, and we're planning to be essentially the industry standard for that with our simulator, which we have 40 different drones in our sim. The flight mechanics and math is all done by us, constantly updated, tons of different scenarios, and honestly for police departments, search and rescue, EMS, DOD, we've got a lot of application and utility there. So, that's pretty much what we want to put out there. We've been in the space for 13 years, and we plan on many, many more. We're excited to be here.